Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix sound issues on your Android phone easily. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check volume settings. First, press the volume up button on your phone. Make sure media, call, and alarm volumes are not muted or too low. Step 2. Turn off silent mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Check if your phone is on silent or vibration mode. If yes, switch it back to sound mode. Step 3. Remove connected devices. Sometimes your phone is connected to Bluetooth devices like earbuds. Turn off Bluetooth and check if the sound comes back. Step 4. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many problems. Press and hold the power button and tap Restart. Step 5. Check app sound settings. Open the app where you're having the issue. Make sure the sound is not muted inside the app. That's it. These easy steps can fix most sound problems on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.